Hey guys, Casey.Sanguins at Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'd like to show you this pre-owned Cougar. It's a 2013 Keystone Cougar. It's the 24 rear kitchen, a 24 RKSW. Up front you've got a nice power jack, which is a must, makes it very easy to hook up. Get ready to go camping. Let's walk around the sides. You got full pass-through storage up here in the front. These openings are nice and wide, plenty wide, so that you could fit a lawn chair in there. So plenty of room, all your storage. It's very nice. It's all aluminum framed inside. Very sturdy, solid trailer. This is a rear kitchen. It does have two entries. I'll show you on the inside, but you've got a front door there into your bedroom. A nice, just about full-length awning, power awning, speakers outside. On the back, very nice. You've got a fold-out rack here that you can get a barbecue that mounts to that. So you've got a nice barbecue setup right here. Plus, this bumper pulls out, and you've got a nice slide-out rack, much like that one there. Coming back inside, let's go inside and take a look. Again, this is a rear kitchen, very nice. So your fridge, your sink, all of your kitchen stuff is right here by the back door. So you're not coming in and having to walk through the whole trailer to get your stuff, or to shuttle food out the door for when it's dinner time. You got a nice fridge and freezer. Looks like a tornado went off in there. Freezer. Nice 3-burner stove with the oven. Pretty decent amount of counter space. Good cabinets up above. Plenty of space to keep your pots and pans, and maybe a paper plate or two. A couple nice drawers here for silverware. Plenty of spot to keep a coffee pot or something on the counter. Over here you've got the dinette, and the nice thing about these rear kitchens like this is the dinette is on the camp side, so you've got a nice big window. So if you're sitting here, especially if you've got kids or company, whatever, you can sit in here, enjoy a cup of coffee, play a game of cards, and still be able to see out and enjoy what's going on outside. Got a nice little TV here with a couple more cabinets up above. Place to store your stuff. CD player, DVD player, entertainment system there. Over on the other side, a couple more cabinets. Nice place to pack more stuff. You never run out of storage in a trailer, that's for sure. Nice couch. That is a 3-piece couch. It folds out into a full height of bed. So nice extra sleeping. Coming forward into the front bedroom. Got a nice mirror so you can see yourself, get ready in the morning. That's a nice closet area. We'll do a little dance switch with the camera guy. Nice closet area, plenty of spaces to hang your clothes. Nice wardrobe, I guess maybe. A couple extra drawers down here. Fold up your stuff. Nice medicine cabinet above the sink. The sink is in the bedroom, but you get a separate kind of water closet and shower. So nice corner shower, glass enclosed. Nice shelves over here beside, so plenty of space to keep your towels in the bathroom. You don't have to find an extra spot to put your towels. Up here in the bedroom, this is under the mattress, of course. You've got a nice storage under the mattress with the strong arm, so this will stay up even with the mattress on there. In fact, it's kind of hard to put down without the added weight of the mattress. See if it stays down. It's not going to want to stay down without the mattress. You got a nice hanging wardrobes on either side. Plenty of storage up above, a couple plugs in there, and you end up with a lot of space when the mattress is in here, of course. You end up with a lot of space on either side to be able to set your phone, or again, if you have a CPAP, anything like that, you have the space. Another nice feature of these is the laundry chute here. It's just a hole cut here, and put a laundry basket there, and be able to throw your dirty clothes down there and keep them out of the way of the trailer. This thing's going to stay up. Again, you got the extra door up here in the bedroom, so nice, easy in and out. Again, my name's Casey.Sanguins. If you have any questions about this trailer or anything else we have in inventory, please feel free to give me a call. My phone number is 541-953-9171. Talk to you soon. Thanks.